And welcome to another how to Roblox video. Today I will be showing you how to get a cash currency on Roblox. This is also account collab between me and my friend. Her account is called Avery Eliza and mine is Sleepy Sheep. So we're gonna get started right after this. Okay, so what you'll need to do is you go to Explorer and Properties. First, you go to Server Script Service. You right-click on it and you hover over Insert Object. Then you click on Script. You don't need this, so you just delete it. And then what you have to do to type this in, then you need to type in game.players. Oops. Okay, so you type in so you do game dot capital P players dot player added, and then right after that you do that, and then you're writing connect, and then after that you do this, and then type in function. Then what you need to do is you do this again and type in PLR. Then you do that, and then right after what you need to do is enter. Right after you type you type enter and type in local. Then, okay, so you go back to script, so you go to plural, and right after that, so I was looking at this, and I realized, why isn't this working? And I realized, so you must delete this. I did not mean to add this. You were not meant to add this thing right here. So it will look like this. It doesn't seem right, but that's it's right. Now let me check over everything. Type in players. Yep, players added. Oh, yep, here's the problem. There's two ways. And then player added, contact, and then function, plural. Right after you do that, you need to delete this thing right here. If you have this, you delete that. I'll be right back when I figure out what's wrong with this. Okay, everyone, so I just retyped that and it actually worked. So right after that, you click enter, and there should be an N right here. I don't know if it's showing it, but it says N. It's kind of hard to see. It's like, maybe if you zoom out, you could see it, but so you go right here, make sure everything's good, click enter, and then there should be a thing, and then, nope. Okay, so what you do is click plural. Then what after you do, you click enter to make a line. You just do that. This should be right here. It's kind of hard to see though. So after you click enter, what you do is next, what you do after. Okay, everyone, I don't know what happened, but I retyped it in again for my third time, and it actually worked. So what you want to do after that, after you click enter there, this N will pop up. So you go to the middle, right there, and what you do then, you type in local. I keep doing A's instead of O's. Okay, so you type in local stats equal instance dot new bool. Make sure these are capitals. The B bool, capital V, value, and then you type in that. Oh, and you put one here. I forgot. Right after that, then you should right after that. So this is what's happening. game players, so it's kind of like added when player added connect. Then what you do is you go back over here and you type enter. Oops. So this should not be here. So what you do now is you go between here and then you type, after book value, you type in that, and then you type in plural again, that. You click enter, and then you write stats dot name and then equal, and then you do leader stats, and then you do a few spaces down, and you go one space down where it is, and then you type in local cache equals instance dot new int value. Oh my gosh, I don't know why I keep doing this, guys. I keep forgetting to add this. Okay. And then you type in. And then right after that, at the end of value, what you have to do is you type in that stats and then that. After you type in that, after stats, what you type in is you click enter and type in cache dot name equals cache. Oops, I meant to say cache. Yeah, I did that right. Oops. And you do that, and you click enter again. Cache dot value equals. Oops. Equals 0, and then that's all. Then what you do after that is, so you're gonna exit out of this script, and then you'll be brought to the Roblox base plan. Okay, next step, what you're gonna do is you're gonna under service script, there'll be script now. What you're gonna do is, well, I'm gonna name mine leaderboard. It's a good thing to keep track of your thing because there might be a lot. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on server script service again. Then I'm going to hover over insert object, go to script, and then what you're going to type in this time, sorry if there's a lot of typing, but what you're going to type in this time is amount, oops, it still says print, amount equals, oops, I keep typing that, equals 2. This variable is the amount of cash we will give each time. What that means is you'll get 2 cash every time this happens. Then you click enter. I think I did that wrong. Variable. Once again. Oops. The problem here is why it wasn't like that is because you were supposed to type in so it was supposed to be amount equal. That was right. But right after 2, you were supposed to type in I knew something was up because this was not all green, and it should be. Okay, next step. Okay, everyone. So next what we're going to do is After you do this, you click enter. So then you're at the other